everyone. Welcome to Learning Hub 2.0. Today I am going to share best AI removal from your writing text. As you people know that it's important to be aware that some educational institutions and platforms have policies against using AI generated content without proper citations. It's best to emphasize ethical use and transparency while using your AI generated content. Let me explain how you can remove AI from your article, your thesis, or your website content, or any kind of content, whether you are a writer or a researcher. Let's move. Here you can see that there are several rewriting tools, AI removing tools in the market. They make your content like human written content. It is also called humanizers. There are several websites and softwares like Undetectable AI, Smoding, Farzl AI, and many more. And also, one of the best AI removing tool in the market is Stealth Writer. As per my experience, I use this tool and it's working amazingly. Before using this tool, my AI percentage was almost 70 to 80%. And after using that tool, I checked my assignment on Turnitin. It was 0% with AI content. Let me show you the demo how you can use. Let's go to the website of Stealth Writer. Here you can see that you can use this website to humanize your content. Let's start. Here, the option of account, click on it. After clicking, you can see that there are two options, one of login and second an option of don't have an account, get started to create your own account. Let me go to this and guide you how you can create your account. Write your name, first name, last name, and your email address, and your password. After that, I agree with this till writer terms of service and privacy policy. Okay. And at the end, click on I am a human. Just cover this. Next. Okay, verify this. And it had been verified. After that, click on the option of sign up. Okay, after sign up, I have received the email from the Stealth Writer to verify the account. Click on this verify account option and it's verifying my Stealth Writer account and my account have been created. Now enjoy the bypass AI option of Stealth Writer. There is a limit of 300 words at a time. If your assignment contains more than 300 words, you can use this feature by many times. Like if you have 900 words, you can humanize your content 2 to 3 times and complete your work. Let me show you the demo. Okay, move forward. I took this data from ChatGPT and I paste there and I check this data here and you can see that your text is likely to be written by AI and it is 100% AI. I check AI of my text and let me click on the option of humanize. Let's see what happens. Okay, now check on this text. Here are different. options given by stealth writer, that there is one option. If you don't like that, move to the next. There are 5 drafts have been given by stealth writer. It's up to you which one you want to use. Let me ask him to give AI score of that paragraph, and you can see that by just a single click, only 36% AI. You can do again humanize this paragraph. By just clicking 2 times humanize, you can remove 100% of AI. Let me copy this and paste here. Let me show you how to remove 100% AI from. Okay, I pasted here. Let me humanize. Okay, he's saying 392 words. Let me reduce this. Okay, now 381 words. Okay, now again humanize it. All done. Let me check the AI score of this. Predict AI score. Okay, here you can see that I humanized the same text in 2 times just by clicking on the option of humanize. I didn't do anything. It's all up to stealth writer. It was done by stealth writer and didn't write even a single word. And total AI percentage of this have been reduced to 12 from 100 to 12. As you people know that all the data was taken from ChatGPT. Previously it was showing 100% AI percentage, but just humanizing 2 times it is reduced to 12%. Next, move to the Turnitin. Let's check how much percentage given by the Turnitin by again humanizing it. Let me humanize it again and check it on Turnitin. Let me humanize. Okay, it has been done, and let me create a copy of it and check on Turnitin. Okay, let me show you this file. I checked the file on Turnitin. You can see that there is the 0% AI writing in this file. As you people see that previously I just humanized 2 times this data and Turnitin shows 0% AI percentage. You can also do by yourself to your documents, to your thesis, your article by using stealth writer. You can also customize and make sure if stealth writer is changing the context of your assignment, then it's up to you. You people can also edit by yourself